What was the most terrifying moment of your life? I was sitting in chemistry class when I heard a shotgun go off in the hallway. Everyone looked around, and I've never felt a more eerie feeling than that moment. We all sat there confused, but after the second shot went off, we could hear other kids screaming from down the hall. The reality immediately kicked in. I was sweating as my teacher looked out into the hallway and immediately went pale. He barely got the words out to get into lockdown, and we all quickly packed into the corner. All I could hear were my classmates crying, some even praying to God their friends were okay. I can't begin to describe how terrified I was at this moment. All while my teacher was standing at the door holding a chair, ready to sacrifice his life if he needed to. The shots got closer, and we heard someone start banging on our door. A girl outside quietly begged us to let her in, but just before my teacher could open the door, she was unalived right there. We sat in absolute silence until we heard the doorknob shake, but then immediately heard the police shouting and moving through the halls, followed by multiple shots. After, my teacher was ordered to come out and immediately threw up after looking outside our classroom. What he saw was one of the kids he taught on the floor after taking his own life.